Alright, so now we're going to be adding some add event listeners with the DOM selectors in JavaScript. In the last video we were doing add event listeners for a mouse leaf, and click on this here, this little website. So now we can Alright, so in the last video we were doing button.add event listener. Now we're going to be doing different events that it's going to react. So we have var button equal to document dot get element by ID, enter, and we'll do var input equal to document dot get element by ID of user input, and we'll link this up on our page in a sec. Then we'll do button dot add event listener, click, and we'll run a function which will go var li is equal to document dot create element. We won't create element li for line item. Then we'll do li dot append child document dot create text node testing. So this will create a text node once we click on the user input document, on the user input button. So we'll have a look at this in a sec. So we're going to go to the DOM run. So what we're using, script event, and we can do an input button, get it done. We can do an input button here, and we can have, in this input we'll have an ID. Input will have an ID equal to user input, and a type equal to text. We'll have a placeholder equal to enter items. Move that down, and then we'll have an enter button. We'll have a button enter. Alt, move it up with an ID of enter. Enter. Get it done today, right? So let's enter some stuff. Alright, so we have a reference error, so document is not defined. So we spelled it wrong. Document.create text node.
Never mind, Cormac, it's been brought in.
DOM run. Alright, so we're linking the script event, and now we're going to move on. li to append child ul. So we'll be creating a text node each time. Have an add event listener for key press. Alright, so in the next video we're going to be coding this out really quickly for you guys. So thanks for watching this far. Stay tuned for the next one. Comment below any projects you'd like to build with JavaScript or you're looking at. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.